Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
It's been 3 years since we last heard about Sean Diddy Combs' sex trafficking trial, and it seems like the jury is finally ready to deliberate on his fate. The disgraced mogul, 55, has been charged with racketeering conspiracy, sex trafficking, and transportation to engage in prostitution, and he's pleaded not guilty to all charges. But what exactly does it mean by distribution in this case? That's a question the jury is still trying to answer, and prosecutors are pushing for a simple yes. But defense attorney Mark Agnifilo isn't buying it. He wants the court to point jurors back to the entire instruction of the charge, which could leave them with more questions than answers. The jury has also requested transcripts from parts of Cassie's testimony, including the sections where she discussed the 2016 incident at the Intercontinental Hotel, where Diddy was caught on camera physically assaulting her. Cassie, now 38, dated off and on with Diddy from 2007 to 2018 and testified for 4 days in May, sharing harrowing details about the alleged freak-off sex parties she participated in with Diddy. She claimed that she would often continue to perform while battling urinary tract infections because she didn't feel she could say no, a chilling testament to the coercive nature of these events. And now, prosecutors are arguing that even one example of coercion is enough to find Diddy guilty of sex trafficking. This was not for Cassie's pleasure, Assistant U.S. Attorney Christy Slavic said in her closing argument. This was work. As we wait for the jury's verdict, it's clear that this case has far-reaching implications for all of us, particularly when it comes to consent and exploitation. The National Sexual Assault Hotline is just one resource available to those who have been affected by these crimes, so if you or someone you know needs support, there are people who care. The verdict in Diddy's trial will likely determine whether he faces justice for his actions, but what happens next won't change the fact that survivors like Cassie and others have been forever impacted by his behavior. As we await the jury's decision, it's essential to remember that survivors' voices matter, and that those who perpetrate exploitation must be held accountable for their crimes.